problem with the scooter. It does not start from the start button. I tested the scooter battery, connected the terminals to the car battery. The scooter started up from the start button, and this indicates that the moped needs to be replaced with a battery. When testing the battery, we see the brake lights work very poorly, despite the recent recharging. The multimeter charges 13 volts, but it drops quickly. The battery is already 4 years old. I bought a new battery, 4 ampere, 12 volts. I put a new battery, connected the contacts, and now we check its operation. The scooter started up instantly, and this indicates excellent battery performance. Conclusions: always pay attention to your battery, in case of poor ignition. Like and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.